He just started welding with Flux-core. Trying to keep it where the light, you know, this light is on his phone. See some of his welds. He getting it in, fam. Just started practicing. How you feel about it? So tell us this real quick. From diving from stick welding, and now you're starting the flux welding process. Do you feel that the stick welding process prepared you for the Flux-core?
Most definitely. Seeing from Flux-core to this, or from stick to this, I could definitely see the difference in my travel speed. I can see myself I can definitely see my mistakes in it, because like I said, it's a whole different thing. With the stick, it's a little bit more fire in it, so it's a little bit harder to see and keep yourself straight. But with this, you can kind of adjust yourself. It's not as much spark and nothing like that going on, so you can easily keep yourself straight. But you can totally tell the difference. It's almost like night and day. Like I say, travel speed with the stick is a little bit more controlled because you got to control yourself and the stick.
Yeah.
But with this right here, it's like all I got to control is that and just keep myself at the right distance.
And it's doing its thing.
And it's doing its thing just fine.
What he said, man. Y'all be blessed. Hog on.